Hello, I hope you're having an amazing day. So, when was the last time you thought that you had more battery life left in your iPhone when you are surviving on a longer day or you don't have any opportunity to charge your iPhone? So, these are the methods that I'm going to teach you today that will help you to save your iPhone's battery for a longer period. So feel free to follow along because I'm going to go slowly for you to understand easily. So let's get on to it. So the first method is tame the display because this is the biggest energy drain from your iPhone. So the first thing is turn on your dark mode. So if your iPhone has an OLED screen, iPhone 10 and the newer versions, excluding the SE models, the pure black pixels actually turn off, drawing zero power. So, how you're going to do that? Switch it on in your settings and then go to your display and brightness and turn on the dark mode. The second method is enable auto brightness. So, leaving the brightness on max will kill your battery in hours. So, let the iOS manage it based on your current lighting by going to the settings option, then go to the accessibility and then the display and text size where you'll find the auto brightness option. You will have to turn it on. And lastly, the lower auto locks time. So set your phone to lock after 30 seconds or 1 minute of inactivity so it doesn't stay lit up in your pocket or your desk entire time. So how you're going to do that? You have to first go to your iPhone settings, then find the display and brightness and turn on the auto lock system and you'll see the timing options. So you'll have to select the 30 seconds or 1 minute of inactivity. So the next method is lock down your background activity. So turn off background app refresh. This is basically when your network is on. So the apps constantly drain your battery life because they use the network and your Wi-Fi or cellular data to run in the background. So, how you're going to do that? This stops apps from constantly updating their content in the background, which I have already mentioned. So, you have to go to the settings option again, then go to the general. And after going to the general, you're going to see the background app refresh and turn it off entirely. Or you can just restrict it only to essential apps like messaging apps. The next method is audit location services. So many apps tries to track your location even when they don't need to. So you have to turn it off. So go to the settings again and you'll find the privacy and security option, and after that you're going to find the location services and change the apps from always to while using the app, or better option is never, because you are not going to use the location services other than the maps app in your phone. So this will help you to save your battery life for longer period of time. Now the next thing is manage the notifications and widgets. So first thing is filter your notifications. You'll have to go to your settings, then go to the notifications and turn off alerts for games or shopping apps that's constantly ping you like with notifications to buy this or check out our apps and everything that notifications actually annoy you. Next is use the scheduled summary. So group non-urgent notifications to arrive in a single batch once or twice a day. And lastly, to clean up the home screen widgets. When you run your iPhone, you will see a lot of widgets that take up the entire screen in your phone. So that widgets constantly fetch live data like weather trackers or stock tickers. If you don't need that, they are going to basically drain your battery. So keep your widget count minimal. Tap onto those widgets for a longer period of time. You will see the minus option that you are going to see on top of your widgets, and just click once and the widgets will go away. And The next option is optimize your connectivity settings. So turn off fetch for email. If you don't need emails the exact second they land, change your mail settings from push constant server connection to fetch checks every 15 or 30 minutes. So go to your settings and then you'll find the mail option. Then click on that. You'll have the accounts, and after that you'll find the fetch new data. The next thing is use Wi-Fi over cellular, because cellular data uses more battery and the Wi-Fi uses notably less power than cellular data. If you are in a stable Wi-Fi zone, I will highly recommend you to use it because cellular data will always drain your powers. And lastly, to disable the 5G is the signal is weak. If you live in an area where 5G is spotty, your phone will drain battery rapidly searching for a signal, for the better signal. So you can actually train your iPhone to always use the 4G or the LTE version, so that doesn't drain your battery that much. So the thing you will do is switch it to LTE in the settings and you'll find a cellular option, then click on that. You'll have the cellular data options. You're again going to tap on that and voice and data. So you're going to find the LTE option that you have to enable. And lastly, the low power mode quick fix. If you have done everything that I have mentioned before and you are still running out of power and you don't have a charger to put your phone in charge, so when you are in a pinch or a hurry situation or where you can really charge your phone, you have to manually turning on the lower power mode in the control center immediately. That reduces background activity, pauses email fetch, and lowers the screen brightness and caps the screen refresh rate to save the maximum charge. So thank you everyone for watching this video, and if this video was very helpful, like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel because it motivates me to make these videos for you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.